Take your numbers from this to this. Follow along as I turn this DIY number into one that's pre-lit with LED lights. Here's a list of the materials that you'll need for this project. Now let's get started. First thing you need to do is to cut a little slit into the base of the board so you can feed the LED lights through, like so. Then you need to measure how much of the LED strip you'll need to line the entire inside of the foam board number. Take your time with this part, you don't want to tear up your LED lights. Make sure the LED strip fits securely next to the foam board. For this section, I used glue dots that I went ahead and pre-cut and laid out on the table so it'd be easy for me to just pick them up and place them where I wanted them to be. You want to space them maybe about 3 to 4 inches apart. And I did this around the entire inside of the number. As you get to the corners, make sure you use some extra glue dots because you want to make sure it fits in those corners and turns securely. Now that we put all of our glue dots in place, I'm just peeling the backs off and pressing the strip down securely onto the glue dot. If you've ever used LED strips before, you know that they already have an adhesive backing that's covered. And the reason why I didn't use it that way is because I want to take these out of this number and reuse them in another number or letter at a later time. And make sure that you only put the back side of the strip against your foam. You need the top portion that actually has the lights to be facing inward, so you will see it when they come on. As we're getting closer to the beginning of where we initially started inserting our LED strips, I'm going to cut another hole to feed the line through. We need the start of the LED lights to be facing the back of the board so that we can plug them in. And it should look like this when you're done. Now I'm going to make a base so that my number will stand. And I'm just using a piece of cut foam board. And I'm going to hot glue it onto the back. Make sure that the number is standing up straight and that you're pressing the board flat against the back. And then I'm adding 2 other strips towards the back of it as well to help it to stand up straight. Here's the finished product. So if you like what you see, please SLC, subscribe, like, and comment, and follow for more.